Hi, this is NeCos, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set my Korra Wig, but also how to create deatachable ponytails for cosplay. First of all, you need 2 wigs. All the other materials I used are listed below. And now it's time to start cutting our base wig. As you can see, I separated the front and the back of the wig and then cut off all the excess. After this is done, take your second wig and cut the wefts from the hairnet. Take 2 PVC pieces, one should be bigger but shorter than the other one, so you can stick them together but also attach the ponytail to the base wig. To make the ponytail, take your first thread, roll it up while securing it with hot glue. As you can see, this gets glued to the bigger PVC pipe. And now continue gluing the wefts to the PVC piece until you have something that looks like an actual ponytail. In my case, I added this piece of hair accessory. To do this, I took a thread, made a loop, inserted it through my piece, and then tied it around the hair. Now it's just pulling the thread, and there we have our nice ponytail. Time to make the base where the ponytail will be attached. Grab the smaller PVC piece, mark until where the other PVC pipe reaches, and cut across into the lower part until you reach your registration marks. By adding heat, the PVC will get soft, which allows you to press the ends outwards. Make sure to be careful while doing this because the PVC can get really hot. Now put this aside, take some Worbla and put 2 layers together. Do this twice and now form a cross. Place the PVC pipe in the middle and add additional material around the ends so it will stay on. After all this is done, take a mannequin head and place your Worbla cross on the back. Make sure the Worbla is still flexible, so it will take the curve of the mannequin. While the Worbla can cool down, it's time to get our base wig. Cut a hole where you want your ponytail, but make sure that this is centered. Take your Worbla base and put the PVC pipe through the hole you just cut. If you want to secure this, add some hot glue around the PVC pipe. And now you just have to stick both PVC pipes together and the ponytail is done. In my case, I finished this wig by styling the front with these hair accessories. First of all, I pulled the hair through just as I did before, and then added hot glue to the inside so they will stay in their place. And for the finishing touches, I just cut the hair a little bit. With that, the wig is finished. I hope this was helpful, and if you have questions, just write them in the comments or contact me through social media. Bye bye!